If you are a mechanic like me, you understand the frustration of dealing with rusted nuts and bolts during maintenance. It's time-consuming and challenging. However, I have discovered something that might make our lives easier. The liquid wrench penetrating oil from one of America's leading vehicle care brands, Liquid Wrench, brought to you in India by Veedol, a versatile product designed to effectively address rust and corrosion. With just a single spray, it provides optimal penetration, loosening rusted bolts, parts, and streamlining the maintenance routine in 5 to 10 seconds. Allow me to demonstrate its effectiveness. More than just lubrication, it's a time-efficient companion. And it's superior. Furthermore, its low VOC composition contributes to a cleaner working environment. The anti-seize formula not only addresses rust, but also minimizes friction and wear, guaranteeing enduring lubrication. This is how it's done. It's a fast-acting additive that saves time, and it's anti-seize formula that easily loosens rust from even the toughest spots. One spray, countless applications. Reduces friction and wear. Ensures long-lasting lubrication. The liquid wrench penetrating oil stands as your ultimate rust lubricant. Discover the difference it can make to your professional toolkit.